We know that you have just picked up tomato seeds from our website and will be sowing them soon. But before you start sowing, you need to make sure that the field is well nourished and prepared for it. In this short video, we will tell you about the best practices in making the field ready for your new tomato crop. So, let's get started. The first step is tilling the land, also known as ploughing, to cut, break and invert the soil. Tilling is a method of preparing soil by mechanically breaking up and loosening the soil. This helps to create a favorable environment for seeds to germinate and roots to grow by increasing air and water flow to the plant roots. It is important not to over-till the soil, as this can lead to a loss of soil structure and fertility, erosion and damage to beneficial soil microbes. Therefore, it is important to strike a balance between loosening the soil enough for planting and maintaining its overall structure and health. Tilling ensures that the minerals in the soil get mixed and are easily available to the crops. The next step is harrowing, which is performed to smoothen and pulverize the soil to a shallow depth. Harrowing is followed by the application of FYM to enrich the soil at the rate of 12 tons per acre. It is important as the addition of farmyard manure or FYM supplies nutrients, increases solubility and availability of nutrient by increasing soil microbial activity. The last step in tilling involves making ridges and furrows at a spacing of 60 to 75 centimeters. This is the ideal spacing required to prevent the spread of pests or diseases. It also eases your intercultural operations. The next step is the application of biofertilizers and bioagents such as trichoderma, pseudomonas, bacillomyces mixed with neem cake and pongemia cake along with FYM. Method of application. Broadcast the basal dose of fertilizer 7 to 10 days after the application of biofertilizers. Lay down the inline drip lateral pipe with a diameter of 12 to 16 mm at a distance of 2 feet throughout the field for better irrigation and water use efficiency. A well-prepared land is crucial for the success of tomato cultivation. By following these essential steps, you can ensure optimal crop growth and yield. We hope this video was informative and helpful. Knowledge is the key to wise farming. For more such videos, visit kisanvedika.bigheart.com. If you have any queries, feel free to reach out to us on 1800 3000 2434. Our agri experts will be happy to assist you. For purchasing our products, visit bigheart.com. Like, follow, share and subscribe. Until next time, happy farming!